My name is Chandra Prakash Thapa and I'm currently working as project manager and developer at ePort International. We develop a theme framework based on WordPress for news media and publishers. You can follow me at Twitter at cpthapa. Okay, so what is really WordPress multi-site? Did you know that the current WordPress has the ability to run multiple websites on a just single WordPress installation? This type of features that includes that shares themes, plugins, users and other features across these websites. It's called WordPress multi-site. So why use multi-site? Why should you use multi-site? So let me explain you. Using multi-site, you can run unlimited number of websites, hundreds, thousands or even more, just using one web account and one database. And next, if you need to share themes, plugins and users across these websites, you have hundreds or thousands of websites and you are the only person to manage all these websites, so you can use multi-site. Using that, you have one dashboard to update all these sites. Of course, time is valuable to everyone, and of course it is equivalent to money. So using these multi-site features, you can update millions of websites just from one action. So there are lots of top players who are using WordPress multi-site. As you know, WordPress.com, it is using WordPress multi-site for its blogging network. And next one is EduBlogs. It uses a multi-site for its educational blogging that connects students to teachers and campus. And next one is Wall Street Journal blog. So let's back into the history. Initially, there were two versions. One is WordPress standard and another is WordPress multi-site version. Until there was a release of a version called WordPress 3.0. In this version, the standard version and the multi-site version were combined to form single WordPress, that is WordPress 3.0 or later version. So now I can say that you already have a WordPress multi-site feature hidden under your current WordPress installation. So let's talk about the types of multi-site. Based on the uses and installation, we have multi-site into two categories, subdomain and subdirectory. So difference between the two types is that the site name comes before your domain in subdomain, and in subdirectory, site name comes after your domain.com. In subdomain, you require wildcard DNS. So what is wildcard DNS? It's nothing but subdomain with name asterisk. As you can see, asterisk here before your domain.com. In subdirectory, you don't require no additional configuration. So let's look how search engine like Google, Yahoo look at these two types of multi-site. In subdomain, search engine rank in each and every site as a separate URL and separate identity, and it has a separate rank. On the other hand, in subdirectory, search engine rank each and every site as the part of the main domain or main website. So it's time to activate the multi-site feature that is hidden under your WordPress installation. So I assume that you already know how to install WordPress, single WordPress. So I'll directly jump to how to activate the multi-site feature in your current WordPress. So first of all, you need to find a wp-config.php file in your current root directory of your WordPress. Open it in your Fabric text editor, and you need to find that's all, stop editing, happy blogging. Above that, you need to add a code saying define wp_allow_multisite to true. That you're saying WordPress that you are going to activate the WordPress multi-site feature. So save it and refresh your dashboard. You will see a menu called Network Setup under the menu Tools. So to initiate the process, just click on Network Setup. A window will show up you asking for network title and the admin email address. This admin email address will be your super admin email that have control over the whole network. So let's click on install to set up the process. A second window will show up. It shows the steps to follow the finalize the initialization of the multi-site feature in your WordPress. So I'll be talking step by step. So let's go to the first step. In first step, you need to open once again to wp-config.php file, and you need to add the following code. It is simple code. It says, you can see in the second line, subdomain installed to true. If it is false, in the second line, it says subdomain installed to true. If it is false, it will be subdirectory installed. As you can see, it is a true, so it will be subdirectory installed. As earlier I said, subdirectory install require wildcard DNS. So I'll be talking about wildcard DNS, how to configure it in the next step. So if your current hosting provider supports softwares like cPanel, you will have option how to create a subdomain. To configure wildcard DNS, you just need to create a subdomain with name asterisk. As you can see in the text box, a name with asterisk. By creating a asterisk subdomain, you are going to create a wildcard DNS. In the second step, you will be replacing your current .htaccess file that is located in your WordPress installation with the following code. It is nothing but it's Apache rewrite tools. The purpose of this code is to modify the client requested URL before it goes to processing to the WordPress. So just copy and paste this code to your current .htaccess file. It will be your final step, third and final step. In these steps, we are going to create a directory called blocks.dir under the directory WP content. The purpose of this folder is to contain the data or media files uploaded by the individual site in your network. That's it. Just you need to log in again to your dashboard. You will have your new network admin. So this is the first window of your network admin. As you can see, it looks similar to your normal WordPress admin panel if you're already familiar with the WordPress. So we can see here the my sites, below my sites there are network admin, and through this menu we have a dashboard for your network admin, and a site called WordCamp. It's the main domain of your network through which you can update your website. Below you can see a space 100 MB. That means in your network all the sites will have a maximum limited space with 100 MB. And it shows currently you are using 0 space. So let's see the network admin panel. Through this panel, you can create sites. You can create sites and delete sites, manage sites. You can create users. You can delete users. Super admin will only have an option to add themes, install themes, and delete themes, and of course plugins. And through settings you can change this, your network settings, and through updates you can update millions of websites just from this updates. You don't need to update each and every website. So let's see what are the users or type of users generally in your network. Generally there are 3 types of users. The first level of users are subscribers. They can comment or they can subscribe to your network. And the second level of admin or user will be the user that have their own websites in your network. They can upload content, they can choose themes, and they can do settings on their websites. And the last and the top level admin will be your super admin that will control whole your network. Okay, that's it. Next, in network settings, through this panel you can change the title of your network. your admin email address, that is your super admin email. You can change the registration settings, you can change your network to anyone can register, that making your network to be a free blogging platform, or you can make your network to be restricted, and you only can create websites. Through this panel you can change the settings of space, how much each and every websites can have, and they can use plugins or not, or the themes they can individually change. Even in a network, an admin panel can change in each and every individual website also. They can set any themes to specific websites, or to any website to whole network. As you can see that it says enable GenShop theme. It will be just for this website only, and it won't be able to a whole network. Okay. In this way you can change your blogging network to be a premium membership network. Super admins will only control the plugins, and individual websites owner can't see the plugins. Only super admin can enable to the network. Okay. To extend your functionality, there are a lot of plugins. I came up with 2 plugins. First, it is WordPress MU domain mapping plugin. Using this plugin, your websites in your network can have top level domain like yourdomain.com instead of like subdomain like site.yourdomain.com or yourdomain.com/site. Okay, and the next plugin is WordPress MU site-wide tag pages. It's nothing but it's an aggregator of your whole network through the tags. Okay, these are the reference.